Hi everyone. Hello friends. How are you? Welcome back to my Learn Easy Maths channel once again. Today I come with some simple mathematical and algebraical identity which is very popularly and very commonly known as a plus b whole square identity. That is the sum of the two terms and it is square. Here a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? But what exactly this interprets, what exactly it explains about that a plus b whole square, that we should understand here. Now you take a square and divide the square in this way. I have taken a square, okay. I name it as A, B, C and D. This is generally a square. I take the sides of the square. What is the property of the square? A square is a geometrical, quadrilateral. A square is a geometrical and quadrilateral which has all the sides equal and all the angles are right angles, isn't it? I repeat once again, a square is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal and all angles are right angle, right? Now I take the side of each side of the square is a plus b, a plus b, a plus b and a plus b. So the side of each square, the side of the square is a plus b. Now here geometrically I make an arrangement such that I take the measures from here to a, here to here a, and I just frame it into a one perfect square whose sides are a, all the sides, okay. Then this side I make it in such a way, I'll design this one. This will be a rectangle whose breadth is b and whose length is a. This is a square, okay, whose sides are a, and this is a rectangle whose length is a and whose breadth is b. And what is a and b? This is a and b. A plus b is the side of our square, okay. Now compare to this second quadrilateral, second rectangle. Rectangle is also a quadrilateral. See that one? His breadth, two sides are b and two sides are a. And coming to the last the figure, the part of this square I have divided into two rectangles and two squares. Do you understand? One square is divided into two squares and two rectangles. So the first square whose side is a and the second square whose side is b, and the two rectangle whose length and breadth is, whose sides are a and b, whose sides are a and b, right? So first one, it is a first square, right? This is a first rectangle, this is a second rectangle and this is a second square. Now you take, what is the first square? Area of the first square whose sides are a into a. So area of first square is equal to what? Side into side, which is a into a equal to a square, because all sides are equal, no? A, so the area is side into side. Then area of this second square is what? Whose sides are b, so you multiply b into b. Area of the square b into b, which is equal to b square, right? Now what is left out? There are two rectangles are left out, remember that. And these two rectangles I told you whose length is a and breadth is b, and the rectangle 2, its length is a and breadth is b. So area of first rectangle, this one is a into b, which is equal to ab. Area of second rectangle, which is equal to a into b, ab, right? One a plus b square, one square whose side is a plus b, is subdivided into two squares and two rectangles. So I have taken their areas. Now you add area of first square plus area of first rectangle plus area of second rectangle plus finally area of second square. Right? Area of first square plus area of first triangle plus rectangle plus area of second rectangle plus area of second square. What is the area of first square? I have taken it is as a square. What is the area of first rectangle? The first rectangle is what here? AB. What is the area of the second rectangle? The area of the second rectangle is also AB. And what is the area of second square, which is equal to B square? Okay, now this is equal to, what is the side of the square is A plus B whole square. A plus B, A plus B, A plus B, A plus B. Area is A plus B whole square, which is equal to A square. Here the like terms A plus B, A plus AB, and AB is 2AB plus B square. This is the geometrical, this is the algebraic interpretation of A plus B whole square. I hope you understand well. With this, we conclude the video, and once again requesting you that please do subscribe and press the bell icon, and you just press for all the videos, and you get the notification as soon as our videos gets uploaded. With this, I am going to end my video. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.